So now we're going to take a look at o11y.ai. It's similar to the AI SRE that you saw earlier, but it's a little bit different. It's an agent that is 100% focused on developers. It's very simple, it's AI native, and it's focused initially at least on TypeScript and Node.js developers. Speaking of which, we have two folks from our development team here, Cole, and who's our AI lead, and JT, who is our founder. We can also call you Jonathan.
Thank you.
All right, so guys, we're going to take a look at o11y.ai, and I gather you've got a simple business that you're running on the side.
That's right.
Okay.
Here we have our production application from the weekend, Pet Chat, where you can interact with your virtual pet.
Fantastic. Sounds essential.
It is.
I hear it's taking off.
It is. It's a lot of traction. So much, in fact, we're having some issues with it. Users are reporting some errors, and we're actually not sure why. So you can see here we're attempting to chat with our virtual pet, and we're having some problems.
It's the problems of hypergrowth.
That's exactly right. In this application, unfortunately, we built it so quickly, there's no telemetry or observability built in, and we need to set that up quickly. So enter o11y.ai.
So this is the front door. You go sign up here.
That's right. You can easily sign up with your GitHub account,
okay,
and we'll get you started quickly from there. So you can see once logging in, I just have to connect my GitHub account and pick the repository of interest. In this case, it's our Pet Chat app.
So now we're getting access to code here.
That's right. This is the combination of AI for debugging, but also for code access.
Okay.
So it's going to prompt me just with a few questions, letting me know it's going to analyze our code, generate our o11y account, and an initial pull request with the instrumentation to get the data into o11y.
And this is adding instrumentation to what? Front end and back end, everything?
That's right. If you're using Next.js or TanStack Start, it'll instrument both the client and the server side. All right, so it's gone ahead and set up our account, and it's now analyzing our repository. And one of the first things it's going to show you is your o11y score.
o11y score. Okay, so let's stop there for a second. JT, I know this was sort of your brainchild. o11y score, what is that?
Yeah, I think observability is a somewhat abstract concept, so it's good to put a number to how well you're doing. People always like numbers to go up. So this number is telling me that this app is pretty bad, and we need to actually improve its observability and monitoring.
Okay, so presumably we're going to go ahead and make that better.
That's right.
Not to ruin the cooking show here, but...
That's right. Starting at a pretty low benchmark here. But fortunately, o11y has already started to generate a pull request, which is going to increase this drastically.
Now, this is quite different to most anything an observability product has done in the past. It actually is generating the instrumentation that you would use to troubleshoot your application.
That's right. The last step here, before we get into the application, is simply to copy over some environment variables into your deployment environment. In this case, I'm using Vercel for our Pet Chat. And once that's done, you're in the app.
And so can we go recheck our o11y score to see if things got better?
Absolutely. We'll first go ahead and merge the pull request it generated for us.
Okay.
And once that's in, we can easily ask o11y what our new score is. And there it is.
65%, look at that, 5 times better.
It's great coverage. It's got a lot better. We've done basic instrumentation to start with, none of the sophisticated stuff, just the basics, which is what a lot of people need. But we can go further, but we'll explore that later.
That's right. Yeah, we've gone ahead and added the auto instrumentation for TypeScript, and that's going to get us most of the way there.
Cool. So now I guess we can go troubleshoot.
That's right. Obviously, we started this process with our bug, so we can start debugging that. We can start looking at errors that our users are having, and o11y is going to go leverage the knowledge graph and generate query cards to help answer and debug, and hopefully find root cause here. We can see that the users are having 500 errors, as well as some issues related around GPT-5 integration that we added last week. It looks like GPT-5 is not supported on the back end. It looks like some sort of bug there.
So we're not keeping current with the latest LLMs.
That's right. But o11y can go ahead and fix this for us, since it has access to the code. So we can prompt it to do that. And just like that, o11y is now generating another pull request, fixing the actual bug.
Yeah, this mixing of the telemetry with the code access is pretty potent.
And really is a new thing. I mean, it sounds obvious watching this demo, but it really is something that has not been done before.
That's right. Looks like that pull request is finished. We can give it a quick scan. And that looks good. So we'll go ahead and merge that. And after just a few seconds, another redeployment will occur. And then we can validate that the issue is actually fixed in pet chat.
All right.
Yeah, back in pet chat, we can try out GPT-5. And everything's looking much better.
Problem solved.
That's right.
Looks good.
Yeah, and if at any point you ask a question that Ollie doesn't have the answer to, it can go ahead and put up another instrumentation pull request on your behalf, where it can strengthen its instrumentation and increase your Ollie score.
So this is fairly mind-blowing, for me at least. We've got access to telemetry. We've got access to code. We can add instrumentation to the code. We can also ask business questions as well as technical questions. And I guess finally, you can even have o11y.ai go fix the problems that it actually finds as well.
That's right.
So it's an entire sort of closed loop operation here.
That's right.
All right, well, look, that seems fantastic. Thanks for the demo today.
Thank you.